Hello, today I will guide you on how to remove the email address from the login screen in Windows 11. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the search menu and type Settings. Click on the best match to open the Settings app. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. In the Settings window, select Accounts from the left panel. Step 3. Open Sign-in Options. On the right panel, click on Sign-in Options. Step 4. Hide email address. Scroll down to the option Show Account Details, such as my email address on the sign-in screen. If it is turned on, toggle it off to hide your email address. Once disabled, close the settings window. Your email will no longer appear on the login screen. That's it. Your email address is now hidden from the login screen.